Hello everybody, my name is Christiane J. Silva, and today we're gonna be talking about the only learning objective we have, which is illustrating types of data and associating measurement scales. So then for levels of measurement, we depend on the characteristics of data that was collected to help categorize them into different types of measurement. So then we have 4 different types of measurement. The first one is nomial, the second one is ordinal, third is interval, and the fourth is ratio. So you can combine nomial and ordinal to get qualitative categorization, and then you could combine interval and ratio to get quantitative category for measurement. And then so I'm going to be explaining what the 4 measurements are. Nomial is the data that tells the difference between the two things. So there's no rank. It's like telling the difference between two different car makes. Like, oh, that's a Toyota and that's a Honda. So can't really get much information from that. The second type of measurement is ordinal. Ordinal is two different things, but you're giving a sense of the two different things, if that makes sense. Like there's a rank. So then if you were to win a race, first or second, you could tell who's first and second, but the problem is that you don't know how much the first place winner won by, that kind of thing. So then the third type of measurement is interval. And it tells two things are different and gives a sense of one thing is better than the other. So then it's like sizes of clothing. If you were to go to a store and it's like, oh, there's a small and a medium. Medium is obviously bigger. But the problem with this is that there's different sizes in like smalls, if that makes sense, where if you go to this store, this small might not be the same as another store small. And then last but not least, there's ratio, where the scale never varies. It's like set, and it's probably the most reliable of the categories, where you get a sense of the difference between the two, and there's no difference in the scale. So like zero distance is always going to be zero distance, and everyone understands that. So then there's more information when we get the measurement type of ratio, because it's like set in stone kind of thing. And then so sorry, I blinked out. There's like measurement scales of, we use different types of graphs to measure things. And then so the graph we use the most is histograms, because it gives like frequency and it's fixed bars, starts at 0, x-axis must always have numbers. So then that's how we measure things, mostly in statistics, and that's what we use the most. And yeah, thank you again. Have a good night.